Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Turbo, so let's waste no more time and get right into it. Before we get into it any further, though, just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys from the Turbo community for showing so much love on these updates. Continue supporting, and you will see these continuous updates that I bring you guys. But anyway, if you're looking at the overall market right now, especially the top 200 coins, you are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. And I'm sure if you do follow me on my channel on a regular basis, you know exactly what has been happening with the crypto markets. But anyhow, if you're looking at Turbo, it's down about 9.5% on the daily time frame. And the price is currently sitting at 60.43, still about 2 zeros in front of the price, and also down about 8.1% in Bitcoin and 11.2% in Ethereum comparative right now over the past 24 hours. But now for focusing on the market cap, $411.7 million. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about 96.9 million. Before we go into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the holder count, guys, almost 36,000 holders for Turbo. But right now, I know a lot of people are probably like, why is Turbo going down, this and that? And if you did watch my update yesterday, we spoke about something specific regarding, pullbacks. Remember, as of now, if you're looking at Turbo, and if you consider this one of the biggest meme coins, and again, it is considered as one of the big meme coins right now, but it's still below $1 billion market cap, and it's still considered a low coin in the broader market, aside from just being a meme coin. And if you're looking at the overall meme coin market, $54.4 billion, down 6.7%. Everything seems to be down right now. That's just a quick reminder that I want to give you guys, except a few handful coins that have been showing a lot of positive momentum. But Turbo is also one of the coins, let's be honest, that has showed a lot of positive momentum over the past 2.5 months. But why is it reacting in a negative way? As I've said to you guys before in our update, it's really easy for whales to manipulate Turbo, and let me be honest, and I've been quite clear about this, and you need to accept this. Remember, this is an extremely risky project, and again, every meme coin is considered a very risky project, because at the end of the day, in terms of utility, let's be honest, it's more of a hype thing, supply and demand, rather than, solving some sort of a real world use case or taking crypto to masses, or bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. But, during these negative moves towards the downside, and I wouldn't even consider this, what we're seeing happening with Bitcoin, I wouldn't even consider this negative, because, this is part of the game. You need to understand there will be times where you do see a little bit of consolidation and a little bit of a pullback, within the markets, and that is very normal, and that's exactly what we're seeing happening with Bitcoin. Obviously there was news that came out regarding the Mt. Gox funds that are on the move, and again, that could bring a little bit of sour taste in a lot of investors mind, and people usually tend to panic, because again, that's about $2.7 billion worth of BTC that's being transferred again. That kind of brings in a little bit of a panic. But on top of that, what the whales tend to do is they really take advantage and try to shake out all the weak hands that way. But when you're looking at happening with Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance has seen a little bit of a pullback around 55.3%, and obviously BTC is sitting at $65,933, so it's actually below 66K. And I did indicate this in our yesterday's update as well. Be prepared. I still realistically think a $64,000 target for BTC is a very realistic retest, and we should be mentally prepared for that. So now that we have that out of the way, now that we have understanding as to why the overall market is seeing a little bit of a pullback, I want you guys to focus on Turbo itself. So as of now, clearly what you could see is the price of Turbo is below a very, very important support level at that 68.52 zone. And I have indicated to you guys in the previous update how important it is for the price of Turbo to hold around there. But if you want to measure this move towards the downsides from just 2 days back, you are seeing about a 27% pullback in just a matter of 2.5 days. And again, this should be a reminder. Once again, I've been giving you guys these reminders since, of course, I've been starting to do Turbo updates. I said that, this is one of the coins that does see sharp drops, and we spoke about that yesterday. If you just literally see these, these are some massive pullbacks, and again, really easy to get manipulated. It doesn't require some, whales to bring billions of dollars to do this. Believe it or not, it is really, really easy for just maybe one or two whale to come out and have some massive swings occurring for turbo, and we have seen that in the past. So right now, what you're seeing is about a 27% drop, in turbo, while Bitcoin is only down about 4.25%. Let that sink in. Bitcoin is down only 4.25%. Meanwhile, turbo is down 26%. What is this showing you? This is showing you these are riskier assets, and this is what I try to educate you guys on a day-to-day basis. This is our riskier assets, and meme coins, generally speaking, tend to get hit, crazy, when it comes to moves towards the downside for the overall market. And, meme coins tend to, have sharper drops. But again, you got to look at it from the complete different point of view as well. When the market turns around, you see meme coins making gains that no one can even think about, and some of these other projects can't do. Again, this is where the risk and reward, ratio comes into place. The higher risk you take, the higher reward you get. The lower risk you take, the lower reward you get. So that's something that you, as whether you're a turbo holder, whether you're a Pepe holder, whether you're a meme coin holder, this is something that you really need to grasp and understand the importance of that. But right now, you can see this for yourself, a 27% drop while Bitcoin's only down about 4%, but you're seeing us being supported by, some significant amount of support right now for the price of turbo. But now let's say, the support was not to hold, and we do see that retest that I'm talking about for BTC, which is a realistic target, as I've said to you guys before. 53.97 retest, that is the next major support. That would be another 10% drop, and potentially even, a 49.91, a 20% pullback from the current price levels could be in play if we do see certain drops that I have discussed. But you need to be mentally able to understand how this works, because now if you're kicking yourself right now, saying, oh, why is Bitcoin only down about 4% and your turbo is down 27%? Number one, you cannot compare the two. Turbo has a 400 pretty much $411 million market cap. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has $1 trillion. How much does Bitcoin have? Actually, let's go take a look at that real quick. BTC has $1.3 trillion in terms of the market valuation. That is massive. That is not a small number by any means. So, you cannot be forgetting this stuff, which a lot of people do tend to forget. So that's how I'm currently analyzing turbo. I do believe the market will turn around sooner than you think, but we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.